Okay, so which of the following are valid int conversions by int function? I am similarly writing for float. Let's say this is 7, float 1.0, 8 is float -1, -12, float -7.5, float 6 by 13, float 1.0, float -16, float 83, float 1.29. चलो पहले इंटीजर वाले में बताओ which all are valid conversions. Yeah, anyone?
The second one, sixth one, first and fifth, sir.
So you are saying second,
First, fifth, and sixth.
first, second also,
Yes, sir. And fifth and sixth.
fifth and sixth.
Sir, second cannot be because it is -7.
Second cannot be. Okay, so Ankit is saying, Ankit, first is possible?
I have a serious doubt in this.
अच्छा, you have a serious doubt, तो इस पे पता नहीं है, इसमें गलत है ये. चलो मैं आंसर बता देता हूँ.
Sir, I think only last one.
You think only last one. Okay, this is also wrong. What I believe is, मेरे हिसाब से, even I may be wrong, that this is incorrect. Okay, this is incorrect, this is correct, this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is correct, and this is correct. ठीक है, देखो, even we can try. Python क्या था उसमें? Print int 0.5, print, sorry, int -7. देख रहे हो, वो कन्वर्ट कर दे रहा है 7 -7 में. Okay, now let's check fifth one. I'll tell you the reason why that is happening. Value error. अच्छा, कौन सा हम लोग देख रहे थे? Sorry, with the I have checked first one. The first one is wrong. I have to write 0.5 without quotes. If I write without quotes, there won't be any problem. That will result in discarding the decimal value after any number after decimal point. Okay, then -5. देख रहे हो? तो what happens is कि वैलिड कन्वर्जन कब होता है? वैलिड कन्वर्जन in case of int happens in two cases. If a string then only integers within quotes are valid, within quotes allowed. चाहे इंटीजर नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव हो, ठीक है. रियल नंबर्स वोंट बी अलाउड in case of strings. If you are putting inside, see, first, second, third, and fourth are string arguments inside int. Fifth and sixth are not string arguments. These 0.5 and -5 are not enclosed within quotes. So if string argument if a string argument okay, then within quotes बस ये होना चाहिए, if numeric argument, मैंने वाइवा में तुम लोगों से पूछा था कि how many types of numeric data types we have seen. All of you, I'll not say most, all of you said we have only seen two, int and float. But if you remember, I had also said there is another type known as complex, okay, which we are not seeing right now, but Python can handle. We'll of course cover the complex types also, but yes, complex भी होता है numeric के अंदर में data type. Anyways, so if numeric argument, then both int and float allowed. ठीक है. That means अगर numeric है, argument inside the bracket or parenthesis of int is not a string one, that is not enclosed within quotes, then both both integers and real numbers, that is float values, are allowed. Both are allowed. However, if they are enclosed within quotes, that means if they are a string, then only integers are allowed.
Excuse me, sir. Actually, I came to hospital since I had an appointment.
Okay.
So now for just next 5 minutes, I'll not be there.
No problem. No problem.
It's my appointment right now.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Thank you, sir. I'll leave and rejoin, sir.
No problem. मैं 10 minutes और पढ़ाऊंगा, 10-15 minutes. You can just watch the recordings later.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
In case of float, ये int का valid conversion था. Float valid conversion. Okay. That means here it doesn't matter. Okay. Here, if a string argument then both int and float allowed. If numeric arguments then also the same. Then also both string and float allowed. Ankit, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Sir, then what about int arguments if numeric?
If numeric तो int होता ही है. Either you mean float.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, sorry. मैंने string लिख दिया. Both int and float allowed. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Up next question, maybe one last question for the
Sure.
day we'll see in next 10 minutes. Very important concepts. Very important concept.
So why is it that range can be used as an identifier?
Why is range cannot be used as identifier?
It can be used, sir. It just tried.
I'll tell you later. उस पे मत जाओ अभी. I'll get back to that. I have kept it for a later point. कि which all things can be used as identifier and which all things cannot be used. I have just given you a few rules that it should not start with this and that. There is a concept of keyword. See, if you use range as an identifier now, I'll tell you, Rolvin, what will happen. Then you will not be able to use the range function. अगर ऊपर में, if you write range is equals to 2.
No, sir. For other than for. For other than for functions, like for if function.
For is not a function. If is not a function. They
Oh.
are flow control statements.
Yes, sir.
Functions तो parenthesis होता है उसके बाद.
Sir, can you mark the right answers in the previous float part?
As per me, this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is wrong. This is correct. ठीक है?
Yes.
चेक कर लेना. होगा तो we'll discuss tomorrow कि क्या दिक्कत है. Yeah, Ankit, you were saying something. Is it clear कि क्या बोल रहे हो कि if and for are flow control statements, functions are always followed by parentheses. I'll come to that later.
I told that. So can we use range as an identifier in for controls if control statements, sir?
देखो, I'll tell you one example why you should not use range as an identifier. Why not to use range as identifier? Let's say if you write range is equals to 3 and then you write for I in range 1 to 11 print I, यहाँ पे error दे देगा तुम्हें. At this place it will give you error.
Sir, he is asking if you are not using the for I in range function and if you are using only if control statements, then what
Control
it will show
statement.
then?
Then it will work. If you are not using range as a function anywhere in your program, then that concept will work. But avoid it. I'll tell you the reason in future lectures. ठीक है? So if you are using, अगर range ऐसे use कर देते हो ना, this won't work. Error दे देगा यहाँ पे. The original meaning of range will be overwritten by this variable. Function से variable बन जाएगा वो. Okay, because you are forcing it to be treated as a variable now and not as a function. So this definition for this program will be lost. This function definition will be lost.
So if we write for range in range also it'll be the same, sir, as.
Yeah. You cannot use range anything other than the function. If you have used it as an identifier anywhere, it will go wrong.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So avoid it. Next program देख लेते हैं जल्दी से. Write a program to find the factors of 20, or let's say 6. उसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग? So how we are going to find the factors of 6? Any idea?
Sir, we divide the number till 6.
रुक जाओ इलम, तुम किए हुए हो ICSE में. Let them try. Okay. Let me say. अब मैं पहले solution लिख देता हूँ, then I'll explain. जहां तक नंबर है वहां तक we will get will run the loop. So that means 1 to 6 जाना है तो we'll write 7 and then we'll check. Every time I will be getting one value. So I will write if all the i's one by one, all such I which divides 6 completely, can we say only those i's will be the factor? अरे किसी भी नंबर का factor of any number cannot be greater than the number itself, and smallest factor will be 1. Smallest factor of any natural number, factor of, let's suppose कि यहाँ natural number डाल रहे हैं, any natural number is 1. बिगेस्ट फैक्टर और ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर क्या होगा? इज नंबर इटसेल्फ. All factors, therefore, all factors, can we say 1 less than equals to number
less than equal to 6.
मतलब मैं बोल सकते हैं, हम लोग बोल सकते हैं ना कि all the factors will be starting from 1 and will be less than equals to that number. Is it correct? In case the number is 6, so of course from 1 to 6 it will go. That is 1 to num. Can we say this? So what we are doing is every time we are getting an I, new value of I, so this list will generate the list of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First time I will get 1. I will come inside, and then we will check if whether this I currently, which is 1, is it dividing 6 completely? If that one, all the numbers, what we are doing here, we are generating I such that every time it gets a new value from 1 to that number, and we will check every such I from starting from 1 to that number. All such i's which divide 6 completely will be the factors. Is this concept clear? All such i's, not this one, i's, और ये तो is लग रहा है, चलो I'll write I in different color. All such i's, yeah, all such i's which divide the number completely will be the factor of the number. Where I varies from 1 to that number. So यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? I will vary from 1 to that number. In this case, our number is 6. Okay. Every time I gets a new value starting from 1 and incrementing by 1 every time till it reaches that number, we are testing all i's and we are seeing if each of the I, whichever I divides that number completely, and we will only print those i's. Okay. So in this process, what will happen? Only those i's will get printed by this program, which lies between 1 to 6 and which divides 6 completely. That means, in other words, are we not printing the factors of 6? एक बार ये देखो,
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nanika?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
Sir,
हाँ.
I have a doubt. Can I share my screen?
डाउट है तुम्हारा किस इस प्रोग्राम में?
हाँ सर.
ओके दिखाओ जल्दी से. Just a minute. This is last program for our discussion today. Kevin, where is your name? Yeah. Yes.
Sir, here I have entered this number, and after that, when I try to execute, it's just blinking over here. Like
हाँ
the
blinking
last.
only. Blink करेगा. ये बहुत बड़ा नंबर ले लियो हो तुम.
Okay, sir. So
Okay.
is it trying to calculate or something?
No, blink कर रहा है वैसे आ जाना चाहिए. इसका भी आंसर आ जाएगा. Why not? What is the number you have given?
234252351.
देखो there is a range. अच्छा इस नंबर को छोटा कर दो.
His telephone number or something, sir.
No, I just entered some random number.
अरे let's make it 2023. Stop the program and then run again. Okay, others 20 अच्छा चलो 2023 भी चल जाएगा.
So what did you tell?
No, nothing.
So now
Print
how
the
to get
factors
out
of
of?
6. Comment गलत हो जाएगा हालांकि you are printing the factors of 2022. No worries. You run. उसको छोड़ दो.
So how to get out of this thing, sir? It's
Control
blinking.
C. अच्छा you have shared only this window.
Is it not seen, sir?
No, कोई बात नहीं. तुम्हारा आंसर आया ये बताओ.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, this is all for today. Or try to find out कि another program कि write a program to input a number and check whether it is prime or not. इसको तुम लोग workout करने की कोशिश करना. Try to work this out. Okay. कि how to.
Sir, आ गया, sir.
आ गया ना तो वो तुमने बहुत बड़ा नंबर दे दिया था. So it was taking time to compute.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. So
Sir,
I'll just
view the question again.
yeah, I'll share my screen and we'll write the question and then we'll wrap up. Okay.
Sir, all the teachers will be going to school today?
रुक
Because
जाओ यार.
after this, we'll be having class or
No.
not? at that time?
All teachers are not going. Even I'll go and take class from school for 12th standard.
Okay, sir.
For what, sir?
There is some
This-
inspection yesterday, Piyush,
present
Suresh sir
work.
was telling.
Okay. चलो उस पे नहीं जाते हैं हम लोग. यहाँ पे थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. Let's see. I'll write the question and then you can try. Write a program to input a number, input a natural number and print whether prime or not. और let's say उससे पहले एक चीज ये करना. In natural number and print the number of factors. चलो इस प्रोग्राम का सॉल्यूशन मैं लिख देता हूं जल्दी से. In the same program, previous one.
Sir, that is a part of the prime number program, no, sir?
हाँ.
Sir, we'll try it, sir.
करोगे?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. चलो ये हो जाए तो ये भी ट्राई करना. Write a program to input a number and print whether prime or not. Whether prime or not. So I'll tell you this question, second question is related to the first question. ठीक है? Try करना. Just to give you a hint, any number having the having number of factors as 2 is a prime number. ठीक है? So the second question is related to the first number. ठीक है, इस पे try करो. Try to work it out. We'll discuss these two questions next class and few more questions.
So should we print the factors or number of factors?
Print the number of factors. वो factors वाला तो देख लिया हमने. Ullas, you were late.
Yes, sir. I didn't know.
This we just did. Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है. I'll stop the recordings. You can